This video is to demonstrate using the simplest code program for the Microbit to drive our transporter for our model Starship. The program is written so that when we turn the power board on, 2 digits will show. That's Whaley Sans Font script. And the LEDs will turn red. When we press the A button, the transporter will go in a circle and the LEDs will change. This code is in the description below, along with parts links to this project. We'll use the transporter to move parts around the shipyard when we're building this Starship model. First thing, I'll turn the power on right here, and you'll see the LEDs light red. They turn red. And we have the number 57 Whaley Sans Font. Now I'll press button A and the transporter will go in a circle because that's the way it's coded, and these lights will change. Now when I press the A button again, the code says 1 pixel should turn on purple. Press the A button, 1 pixel turns on. Press the A button, 1 pixel turns on. We still have the Whaley Sans font showing the number 57. And the front wheels are turning.